Hi everyone. Today I just wanted to show you quickly how to set up your team folder so that you can share all of your resources and your notes with everyone in your team in one handy place. And so for that we're going to be using Google Drive, and this way I also have access to everything that your team is working on kind of in a live update format. So basically the goal is that when I open this folder I have everyone's team inside here, and I can jump in there and see what each person's working on, what meetings they're doing, and what their progress is. And how do you do that? How do you set that up? All you need to do is you right click anywhere in your drive, and only one person in your team needs to set it up. You choose new folder, and then you give the name of your team, and then inside here I recommend that you create at least 3 other folders. One for meetings, one for code, and another one for design. And this could be design ideas, pictures, screenshots, or you could even include photos. You could have a folder just for photos of your project. And so all of that ends up being shared with everyone in your team. So how do you do that? You just go up to the little drop down menu here and you choose share, and then from here you put the names of everyone in your team, and you also include me. So my name you can find by typing L Singbiel and then at deltalearns.ca, and then you press, once you have everyone in your team, make sure they all have editing access, then press send. Now what's going to happen when other people get this folder, it's going to actually show up in the shared with me section of your drive. And that'll also happen for me. So when I see it, it's going to show up here. And then what I do is I right click and I choose add to my drive, which I already have. And so now I can go to it in my drive, and I can find it here. And then I'm going to put it from here into the robotics team folders. And so once you've added it to your drive, you can put it wherever you want. And what I do is I organize it in this way. And then the other thing that you'll want to do is start populating this with notes and ideas. So the meetings is the one that I'm going to be looking for first. And that's where I expect that you follow a consistent format for all the meetings that you do. At least the formal ones. You can have informal meetings whenever you like, but for the formal meetings, I need to see evidence that you're following the correct process. So every meeting, create a new document, and then in here, you would make sure that you have a clear title and give the good name. So you could call it like 9181B Team Meeting. September 25th, and then give it a title and follow all through there. And then here's the format here, which you can see from the slides. Make sure you have a date and time, the attendance for who's there, an agenda of what you're planning to talk about, a summary, and then a plan. Basically, what is the plan for when you're actually going to be working? Who's going to be doing what? I find that many teams end up having 1 or 2 people who float around or aren't sure of what to work on next, and having a clear plan means that they could go back and look at the meeting minutes and see, oh well, this is what other people are working on, this is what I can help with. And also it's helpful if someone's absent, they can see what the plan is so that you know what's been done, even if you're not able to be there during a particular session. So this document is very helpful. It's not just for me to look at, it's for you to refer to and to make use of, so that it actually is a useful tool. So that's basically it. I hope that this process helps every team to end up with really comprehensive collection of resources and information. Feel free to add any sort of folders you like to this, as long as it's organized. That's what I need. I need to see meetings, design, code, pictures, whatever you think is important. That way I have a quick way to kind of see what everyone's up to. It makes it easier if I'm chatting with a group. I can figure out where people are, who's working on what, and that sort of thing. And it also, I think, would be really helpful for everyone in the team to kind of be able to check to see what's going on. So I look forward to seeing that, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.